What's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
Reading and watching movies are my favorite hobbies.
How do you like to spend your weekends?
I enjoy hanging out with friends or exploring new places.
What's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
Paris has amazing architecture and history.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Flora.
What's your favorite food to eat?
Sushi is my favorite.
What's the best book you've ever read?
To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee is amazing.
What's your dream job?
Being a doctor would be incredible.
Do you prefer to travel alone or with friends?
Both have their advantages.
What's your favorite season and why?
Autumn, because of the cool weather and colorful leaves.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation would be awesome.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Don't Stop Believin' by Journey is my favorite.
What's something on your bucket list?
Learning how to surf is something I've always wanted to do.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching comedies.
What's the best concert you've ever been to?
Coldplay's concert was amazing.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going on family road trips.
What's something you're really passionate about?
Environmental conservation is important to me.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can play the guitar and sing.
What's your favorite board game?
Scrabble is my favorite.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
Skydiving was the most adventurous thing I've done.
What's your favorite way to relax and unwind?
Taking walks in nature or reading with a cup of tea.